Animal science.
Whoa!
Did you know that hippos have the largest mouth of any mammal and one of the strongest butts on the planet? Plus, an ostrich stands 9 feet tall, but its brain weighs less than an ounce. And giraffes not only have the longest necks, they also have the world's highest blood pressure. From lions to lemurs, we're on safari to see Africa's most incredible animals. Welcome to the fascinating world of animal science. On the plains and woodlands of Africa, if you're not a predator, you need every tool at your disposal, including speed, good hearing, and a keen fashion sense. Out here, spots and stripes are survival wear. For zebras, stripes provide a kind of camouflage called disruptive coloration. It helps them blend into the background of tall grasses, especially at dawn or dusk, the hours when predators are on the hunt. You see, their biggest enemy, the lion, is colorblind.
They don't have good color vision, so the fact that they're black and white and the grass is tan doesn't matter. When they're standing still in the tall grass, it breaks up their outline. If they stand very still, the lion may not spot them.
A zebra can't stand still forever. Luckily, stripes also protect a herd on the move.
And when they're running together, they bunch up pretty close. And all these stripes moving together, it makes it hard for lions moving at a rapid speed. It's kind of, oh, there's the one I want. So they look like a big striped blur.
To a lion, the zebras all look alike. But each pattern is actually as individual as a fingerprint. That helps mothers and babies find each other in the herd. It's also why, on African savannas, black and white stripes never go out of fashion.